Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to open the case for the GoPro Hero 5, GoPro Hero 6, or GoPro Hero 7 action camera. GoPro Hero action cameras offer a great way to capture high-quality video in very tough spots. One of the biggest reasons for the high durability of the GoPro Hero is its hard waterproof case, which consists of two sides that are very firmly clamped together at the top of the camera. Removing the GoPro Hero hard waterproof case can feel impossible, but it can be done in a matter of seconds. Now, let's walk through how to take off the GoPro Hero hard waterproof case. Step 1. Locate the arrow on the top of the waterproof case directly above the camera. The arrow is pointing toward the back of your GoPro Hero. Step 2. Place your fingers under the lip of the hard waterproof case located directly above the lens on your GoPro Hero camera. Pull upward until the clasp at the top of the case pops free and comes loose. The two parts of the case are very securely connected, so don't worry if this is difficult to do. You will not break the case. Step 3. Lift the clasp up and then pull the back door of the hard waterproof case on your GoPro Hero camera down. Step 4. Gently push your GoPro Hero camera out of the back of the case and remove it. Congratulations! You now know how to remove the hard waterproof case for your GoPro Hero 5, GoPro Hero 6, or GoPro Hero 7 action camera. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.